Long ago, early humans faced tough challenges every single day. Their brains developed instincts to survive, find food, and stay safe. These instincts are still part of us today. These instincts help them notice danger, remember safe places, and find food efficiently in a wild, unpredictable world. Even now, humans naturally react to threats, feel curiosity, and seek social connection, just like our ancestors did. One key instinct was survival, finding food and avoiding danger. Early humans had to carefully plan where to hunt, which plants were edible, and when it was safe to move. They learned to hunt animals and gather plants. Using simple tools, they could catch prey, crack nuts, and collect fruits while staying cautious of predators. Imagine them carefully tracking a deer through dense forest, or picking berries from bushes, always watching for sudden movements or nearby threats that could harm them. Danger was always lurking. Predators like lions, bears, and snakes could appear unexpectedly, so humans had to stay vigilant and ready to react at any moment. They had to be alert and react quickly to stay safe. Every sound, shadow, or rustle in the grass could mean a predator was near, so attention and speed saved lives. This fight or flight response is still in our brains. It makes us jump at sudden dangers, feel nervous in risky situations, and react automatically to protect ourselves. Social instincts were also crucial. Humans naturally relied on each other for survival, learning together, sharing knowledge, and forming tight-knit groups. Humans are social animals. Early humans lived in groups, helping each other survive by sharing food, teaching skills, and watching out for dangers in their environment. Sharing food, protecting each other, and working together strengthened the group. Cooperation meant everyone had a better chance to stay alive and thrive. Teamwork made them stronger against threats. Groups could hunt larger animals, build more secure shelters, and defend themselves better than individuals alone. Think of them building a shelter together, lifting heavy branches, arranging stones, or making traps. Every small action relied on cooperation to succeed. We still have this need to connect and cooperate. Friendship, teamwork, and helping others are instincts we inherited from our early ancestors, guiding our daily lives today. Detecting danger was vital. Early humans constantly scanned their surroundings, noticing unusual sounds, movement, or smells that could indicate predators or hazards. A rustling in the bushes, a strange smell in the air, or a sudden shadow could signal danger. Their senses were always sharp, alert, and ready to act. Their senses were always on high alert. Sight, hearing, and smell worked together to help them survive, making split-second decisions that often determined life or death. This helped them avoid dangerous situations. By noticing subtle changes in the environment, like unusual sounds or smells, they could steer clear of predators or hazardous areas. We still scan our surroundings for potential threats. Even today, humans instinctively watch for danger in new places or situations, a survival skill inherited from our ancestors. Curiosity drove them to explore and learn. They constantly asked questions about their world, looking for new food, safer paths, or hidden shelters to improve their lives. What's behind that hill? What does this plant do? Early humans investigated carefully, touching, tasting, and observing, always learning from trial and error to survive. Curiosity led to new discoveries and inventions. By exploring their surroundings, they invented tools, learned new hunting techniques, and found ways to make life easier and safer. Like figuring out how to make fire or craft tools, these innovations allowed them to cook food, stay warm, defend themselves, and manipulate their environment in creative ways. This instinct to explore and learn is still strong in us. Humans today are naturally curious, seeking knowledge, trying new things, and solving problems every day. Problem solving was essential for survival. Early humans constantly faced challenges, from crossing rivers to building shelters, requiring clever thinking and quick decisions. How to cross a river, how to trap an animal. They experimented with different methods, observed the environment, and learned from successes and failures to survive effectively. They used their brains to find creative solutions. Combining tools, teamwork, and careful observation, early humans solved problems that directly affected their survival and well-being. This ability to think and solve problems is still with us. Humans continue to use reasoning, memory, and creativity every day, just as early humans did to survive and adapt. Early humans learned to use tools to make life easier. From cutting meat to digging roots, tools became an essential part of daily survival and exploration. Sharp stones for cutting, sticks for digging, and other simple objects became vital instruments that improved their chances of finding food and defending themselves. Tools helped them hunt, build shelters, and protect themselves from predators. Clever use of simple objects often meant the difference between life and death. Imagine them carefully crafting a spear from wood and stone, or building a simple hut with branches and leaves to shelter the group from rain and wind. We still use tools every day, from smartphones to computers. This instinct to create and manipulate objects is a direct inheritance from our early ancestors. Communication was key to working together. Humans had to share ideas, warn each other, and coordinate actions to hunt, gather, and stay safe as a group. They used gestures, sounds, and eventually language to express ideas. Even simple signals helped groups work more efficiently and survive in challenging environments. Sharing information helped them coordinate efforts. Early humans warned each other of predators, showed safe routes, and taught hunting or gathering techniques. Imagine them calling out or signaling to warn friends about danger nearby, ensuring that everyone could react quickly and stay safe from predators. We still communicate to share ideas and work together. Talking, signaling, or gesturing helps humans solve problems, warn others, and cooperate, just like early humans did. Early humans adapted to different environments. Whether it was cold mountains, dense forests, or hot deserts, they learned how to survive in every setting they explored. From cold mountains to hot deserts, they found ways to survive. They discovered which plants were edible, where to find water, and how to stay warm or cool as needed. They learned to build shelters, make fires, and find food in many different places. Adaptability became a key skill, helping them live through harsh and changing conditions. This adaptability is still part of our human spirit. Today, we explore new environments, invent solutions, and adjust to challenges using the same instincts our ancestors had. They passed down knowledge to future generations. Parents and elders taught children essential skills, from finding food to staying safe, ensuring survival over time. Stories, skills, and traditions were shared around the fire. These early lessons helped humans remember dangers, successful strategies, and cultural practices important to the group. This helped them build a culture and learn from the past. Knowledge, shared through storytelling and practice, gave them an advantage and strengthened group survival. We still learn from our ancestors and build on their knowledge. Every invention, skill, and cultural practice we inherit is rooted in these early lessons and instincts. Early humans faced many challenges, but they persevered. Their persistence, cleverness, and cooperation allowed them to survive, thrive, and pass on their legacy to us. Their instincts and abilities helped them survive and thrive. Skills like noticing danger, cooperating, and exploring new places kept early humans alive in a dangerous world. These ancient instincts are still alive in us today. Our brains still react to threats, encourage curiosity, and push us to work with others to solve problems. Think about how you react to danger or work with others. Every instinct you use, from caution to teamwork, has roots in the survival strategies of early humans. You're using the same instincts that helped early humans. Awareness, cooperation, and curiosity guide your decisions and actions just as they did thousands of years ago. Our curiosity drives us to explore and learn new things. This same urge led early humans to discover new tools, foods, and ways to live safely in their environment. Just like early humans discovering fire or inventing tools, their experiments and discoveries shaped the future, helping their group survive and pass on knowledge. We still solve problems and adapt to new situations. Every challenge we face calls on the same instincts of creativity, observation, and careful thinking that guided our ancestors. Using our brains to find creative solutions. From making tools to solving everyday problems, humans have always relied on intelligence and ingenuity to survive and thrive. So next time you face a challenge, remember early humans. Their courage, curiosity, and teamwork help them overcome danger, and these instincts are part of you too. Their ancient instincts live on in you. Awareness, social skills, and problem solving are inherited abilities that continue to guide human behavior and decision-making. You have the power to survive, thrive, and explore the world. The same instincts that guided early humans help you navigate challenges, learn new things, and grow every day. Just like our ancestors did long ago,